Okay, stepping into the air show. What is this? Oh, so many hawks. So many hawks. Oh, dude, there's even CFM, China, Comex. Look at this. Oh, Singapore Airlines. Oh my goodness. What is this? A350. A350 1000. They've just photoshopped this. A400M. Oh my god. I can't believe what aircrafts we have. Wow. A400M. And what is this? H160. I don't know, it's Airbus. I don't know, H160 is an Airbus plane. And look at this. A220. They've made a poster of every single aircraft. A220, which is not their aircraft. It's CRJ's aircraft. Oh, not CRJ. S950. I don't know it. Oh, what is this? Space plane. What is that? Space plane. It's Airbus. I can't believe all those are Airbus. Okay, there's even more Airbus. A350F. Okay, so we just come into the air show. Welcome to Singapore Air Show 2026. Whoa. Land of the rising sun. Okay, so we're just going to the Singapore Air Show, into the exhibition hall. But we are going to see the court first, the aircraft court. The exhibition hall is not good. Whoa. Wow. We're not going there, we are going there. We're going straight to the court. Wow. Oh wow, another plane taking off. And Scoot's plane. Oh yo. Okay, so we're going straight to the court. We can already see those planes. I'm so excited. Oh! Wow. What is that? I can't even believe what is that. We're heading straight to the court because there's no one at the court. And the aircrafts were shining. Oh dude, that was so golden. What is this? Singapore Air Show. That's just pure Singapore Air Show. Oh yeah, we got another plane taking off. What? Here's near Changi Airport, so it's very good to plane spot. Today we're doing a whole day of plane spot, yeah. Today we're doing a whole day of plane spot. Ooh. Singapore Air Show, we are here! Singapore Air Show, we are here! Singapore Air Show, we are here! Lockheed Martin, Boeing, 777. What the Star Hub? Why is Star Hub there? Okay, so we're heading straight to the aircraft. Wow, private jets, military aircrafts, commercial jets. What is that? I'm running. Wow, what is this? What is this spotlight on? Wow! Oh, what is the? Oh my god, that scared me. The giant fish. A3 A340 thing. Okay, so we're just heading straight to there. Oh, another Singapore Airlines Airbus A380 takeoff. Oh, what is this place? This place looks like a place with plane spot. Not even air show thing. This is just plane spotting thing, not air show thing. Oh wow, look at this! We are getting into the air show court. Oh dude! Wow, just look at all those tails. Just look at all those tails. Okay, so where are we going inside? Wow. Wow. Oh, look at the number. Look at this number. 10080. What is that private jet? They almost got everything. They almost got everything. Oh, there's food. Nice, a nice court. I don't know. It's not a stall. Wow, entering the air show. Yeah. So yeah, entering the air show. I'm so excited. Oh, I stepped into the air show. Wow. What is that? What is this? I'm too good. That's too good. I want to touch the aircraft. Yeah. Some of them they can go up. Oh wow, what is that? So some of the jets was just can't go inside. Wow. What? They even got their engines on. They even got their engine on. They even got their engine on, but that's just not spinning a lot fast. Wow. Look at how big is a plane actually. Look at how big is a plane actually. I can't believe how big is a plane actually. Yeah, first time close-up view of a plane. Yeah, this is the first air show I've ever went to. Yeah, oh my god, so exciting. What? Oh, they even got it. Wow, they got rockets. Okay, so we are just going other aircrafts. So here we got a nice A220. Wow. Republic of Singapore Air Force. I don't know a plane is that big. I can't believe a plane is that size. Yeah. I thought a plane is not this size. Yeah. First time seeing. Oh wow. Airbus Embraer. Wow, a lot of things. There's a lot of hangar for. Okay, here we got an unknown airline. I don't know. Okay, just standing under the wing is very great. I can't believe I went to this air show. This air show is so crazy. Okay, now there we got a Boeing 7. There we got a 737 size compared to the A330, which is quite small. It's quite small though. Okay. Oh wow, A3400M. A3400M. Wait, why why those aircrafts I can't board? I don't have boarding aircrafts. Look at this 737, Navy 737. And look at how big the tail is. Tail. If I have done my 727, I'd probably bring it to here. Wow. Wow. there's no aerial ones. Okay, later on there should be aerial ones. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh wow, so yeah. So here's the A320's engines. Wow, just look inside the danger hot. Oh wow, look at the blades, look at the... Why? What is this? What is this? I can't believe a plane. Yeah. I can't believe a real plane. I only come to... Oh, they're doing sort of cleaning. Okay, so why is these in fences? Oh, Comac C919, so rare. Oh wow, what is this? I don't know, what is this airline? What? Oh wow, look at this. What is this plane? I don't know what is this plane. Sort of commercial airplane. Oh, they use the engine as big as the Comac engine. Look at that. Okay, we even got a Gulfstream G700. Oh wow, why is there so many tapes here? Why is there so many tapes? Yeah. Okay, so we're just heading to the G700 Gulfstream. Okay, this Gulfstream one. C909 is Chinese plane. Chinese plane. Okay, so we got a linkway here. We can take a close-up view of this. Yeah. Yeah, but no plane I can... Oh, what? Oh, wow, this F-35. We must have seen. This F-35. We must have gone and seen F-35. Wow, there's not just one, there's 3 F-35s. What is this? How am I going to even see it? Wow. There's no aerial. Oh. Air Asia takeoff. Air Asia takeoff. Okay. Plane spotting is just aerial display already. Yeah. Okay, so Comac got 2 planes. The C919 and C909. So let's see if we got Boeing plane. Yeah, I mean the 737 is Boeing, and there's only one. Oh wow, look at it. There's another A3. What is this? Let me check out. What is this? U.S. Air Force. What is this plane? U.S. Air Force. It's not an A330. How did they get their APU so loud? How did they get their APU so loud? Okay, we are probably going... Oh, what is this? Drone! Wow, drone! Why is there a drone? So what is this? Looks like it's still A330. It's A330. Okay, let me go ahead. What is this? Wow, nice plane, USAF. Wait, they're not doing the APUV, they're just doing an air pumping, bro. I can't believe they are doing that. So why is this producing water? I do not know. Let me go find some nice things. Let me go find some more. Oh my god! Let me go find some more exciting things. Okay, so we're going to find shops. Okay, so we are going ahead. So we are going to the Gulfstream, Comac, and a lot more. Oh, what? Another plane. Another plane you see behind the C919 tail. So why is there so many planes? This is plane spotting place. Bro, this is plane spotting. This is absolutely plane spotting place. So I'm dragging my mom here. Let's go. Okay, so we're just going to the, oh wow, Gulfstream winglet. Okay, I can't, okay, so what?
I'm okay. I got blue shoes, okay?
Wait, so let me go here. So let me go to the Comac one. So what is Comac? So what is this doing? There's nothing inside. So is this a cafe or what? Bro. So what is inside? Let me see what is inside the... Oh, what? Wow, another takeoff. How many planes have I spotted, guys? Okay, so let me see what is inside the Comac. So let me see what is inside the Comac. What is this? Oh, what the? A meeting room. So what is Comac? So let me head to the Airbus one. Oh, they can he got enter. He got plane. No. Why is it? What is AVIC? Let me just head to the air. Let me just go straight to the Airbus. Maybe it's not good at all. Wow, Falcon. They even got Falcon. Okay, so wow. So can we enter here, Lily? That's just a private jet. So can we enter here? Falcon 6X. So what? Can I enter here? Hello? Oh no. I think I cannot enter here because oh wow. They got HIs. Predator drone.
Don't be surprised that people.
Predator drone. Wow, so just head over. Oh, why is there still a moon up there? Okay. Wow. Drone. Looks nice. So, oh wow, this embarrass. So let me go to the Airbus. Wait. The Airbus seems blocked. I can't enter the Airbus. So, how do I enter the Airbus? There's a door. So let me go and check embarrass. What is it here? Okay. Oh, oh, what? CAV? They got flight simulator. They got flight simulator here. Okay, so here's embarrass aircraft. This one I haven't seen embarrass aircraft. So wow. So let me see. Oh, by invitation only. So Bombardier. What is the Bombardier? Stand. Oh wow, they even got sensor. They even got Santa. Let's go and see Bombardier. Wow. So what is also just a luxury meeting room. So we're not going anywhere actually. That's just it's just aircraft. Maybe we can just check out the indoor. The outdoor we already seen. Okay, so photo taking session. Wow, so yeah. Guess we're just heading to Singapore. So guess we don't have Singaporean company. Singapore just buy other planes. Oh, look at this footprints. This footprints. Look at how many footprints are there. The footprints. Look at how many footprints are there. Okay, there's almost blue. Look how many footprints are here. It's almost blue. It's almost blued out. It's filled with footprints. Okay, so we are not going to see any. See, let me check out the indoors too. Wow, nice sofa. Whose is this? Which company is this? Okay, so we are just going to check out the indoor. Okay, here's what is all those people doing at the 737? Okay, they got E2. So can we buy models? There's no model plane at all. There's no model plane buying at all. So I guess we just FKP. Oh wow, take off. Why is there so many takeoffs? So we're checking out the indoor. We're going to check out the indoor exhibition hall. Visit Airbus. The outdoors we already seen. So let's go to the indoor. Yeah, but bro. Yeah, so I guess we just go to the indoors. Okay, I guess we go to the indoor exhibition hall. Okay, what is all those people doing here? Oh, they can go into the cockpit. But I don't want to go into the cockpit. Yeah. Where's the music box? Oh, global jet. What is jetcraft? What is that? Is it making your own plane? I don't know. Let's head straight to the exhibition hall. What? So let's head. Oh, another takeoff. What is this? Today is the takeoff day. Another takeoff. What is this? Today is almost the takeoff day. So let's head straight to the exhibition hall. Ooh. So what? So they're going to the exhibition hall, but no. So they're just going to the exhibition hall. Singapore Airfield 206. Oh wow, what?
Have a bit to right. Yeah, there'll be some happiness. Because of our lawyer, if there's some time. You see, they are rushing, yeah?
Okay, they are preparing.
Thank you.
They're preparing, so we don't have things. Okay, we can already see Boeing here.
Hi, 9:30. You want to sit down?
Okay, so 11 o'clock there will be aerial display. So what? So wow. Look at this. How is the burger so expensive? Yeah, just like AI told me so, the burger is expensive. Okay, let's go and sit here. We're just going to sit here, wait for a while. Let me watch a YouTube video. After 9:30, I don't know when is 9:30. Okay, so let's just do plane spotting here. This is not a good spot for plane spotting, maybe. Just wait. Oh, sandwich! Yeah, we're just having sign. We are having something here. Let me see if there's any plane taking off. Whoa, looks like the clouds are flying so low. Okay, so we're just going somewhere else. Let me see again. Since they're preparing, let me go plane spotting. That's the perfect choice. Okay. Oh wow, here's a lot more. Here's a lot more planes. Wow, loads of planes. Wow, what? They even got CH-47. Okay, so I cannot really go into the planes. Oh, what is a ground truck doing there? This is an air show. This is air show. Why are they doing ground truck? Oh, this is an Apache. Wow. Look at that. Apache, look at this. Look at this. Apache, look at this. There. See it, but sorry, but I can't see it. I can't do it. Arrow eats, what is that? Arrow eats. So this is not a DSV plane, okay? But oh, what is DSV doing? Okay, see, I don't really know what are they doing here. Okay, so we got another exhibition hall, but it's the same exhibition hall. Okay, so what is this? Visitor rest air. Oh wow, there's another aircraft. We haven't seen it. Okay, so why is there a lot of people? What is a lot of people doing there? There's just a tiny private jet. Okay, so wow. Okay, so here's nice cafeteria. So we just got a small Swiss plane here. Why is this plane individual? It's separated from other plane. Why is this plane individual? Oh, I want this plane. Bro, I want this plane. This plane's so good. It's in Barra. Yeah, it looks like in Barra. Look at this single front view. Oh, more shuttles approaching. Oh, what the? Oh, the A340's back flap has opened. The A340's back flip has opened. Wow. Wow, what? So here's empty view, which is not ideal. What is this? What is this? What is even this? Let me go ahead and see. What is even this? Comac C909. Comac C909. Oh, bro, what is this plane? What is B triangle? What is that? Look at this. So what is on the other side of this? Empty. Okay. Okay, a lot of people is getting distracted by the A400. So what is A400 doing? Oh, what? Another plane. Why is there so many planes today? Okay. Why we don't have stuff anymore? So now we are just waiting for the exhibition hall to open. So now we're just waiting. Oh, RSAF, Singapore. Okay. Oh, what? Another plane take off! Bro, why is it today very plain? Why is today so plain? Wow. Why is today so plain? Wow, so yeah, we just saw a lot of things. And now, nothing more. We're just waiting for the exhibition hall to open. 妈妈什么时候了？看一下，可以了吗 ？OK。啊？9点19。Okay, so it's just 9:19. So what's this? What is that? We just got Wow. Today's air show is so good. Oh, what is a truck doing there? What is a military truck doing there? What is a missile truck doing there? Oh, they got room. Okay, so we're just going here. So let me see if we got anything. No, maybe we go here to eat. Oh yeah. So maybe we go here to eat. Yeah, here. Arrow eats. Looks like airplane food. Though it's so expensive. So why is this so strict? Okay. So wow, we're heading here. Oh, AC. Oh, he got AC. No, is the exhibition? Is this AC? Here we got AC blowing out of the window. Oh, look at it. There's a lot of things exciting inside there. So we're just waiting for the exhibition hall to open. Oh, let me see what is inside. I'm not going inside. Oh, die Havilland. Okay, so what is that? Connect Aviation, USA partnership. And what is this, bro? Wow. What is inside here? Oh, wow. Whoa. So let me see the exhibition layout of the thing. Wow. What? So big. What? Oh my god. Oh god, it's so big. Why is there so many rooms? Wow. Is this an exhibition hall? Is this even... Oh! For your aerial display. So wow. The exhibition hall is so big. Look at this aisle. You can look through everything. Yeah, I'm just getting some AC from here. What is here? Oh, what? Look at this, they got Lufthansa. And let me see this, there's Singapore Airlines. There's no S. Oh, here. SAPS. Sarfans. Oh, what? How many S's here? How many S is here? So let me see the Singapore Airlines. Singapore Polytechnic, what is that? So
CNA doing an exhibit.
CNA, oh my god. So wow. So we are just getting some AC at this corner. Oh wow. You can literally see the inside from this corner and the crushed thing. Okay, wow, dude. This small gap is really crazy and all. What is that? The gallery eating, bro. What is that? The gallery is not the gallery. It says spoon is eating one, bro. Okay, so what we have here? How do I know? How do I know? So let me see. Oh my god, A so much. We got a lot of A. So let me see if there is.
谁有个飞机型号？
里面的东西。Okay, so wow. Oh wow, they've literally break a hole in the wall for wires. How is that? Bro, definitely a great idea. So yeah, there's broken pieces inside. Hello. Wow, so yeah. What is, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So enjoy. What is a truck doing there? What is a truck doing there? So what is truck doing there? Oh wow! Oh wow, what is that? Flight simulator! We're probably going there first. We're probably going there first. Oh, we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes more. So after 4 minutes, the thing is ready. Oh yeah, so nice. Okay, 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Yeah, 4 more minutes. Okay. Oh wow. Some people already entered there. Oh, it's workers. Okay. So wow. So one is. Oh, 9:27 already. Oh wow. Oh what? Oh what? 9:27 already. Oh wow. 3 more minutes. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Oh.
9:30 exactly. I will open for you. But don't run now. Don't run now.
Oh, so. 2 minutes. 1 minute.
Run. Take your time. Okay, please. Don't fall down. Please. Further down, please.
No.
They're targeting you.
Don't run. You got more than enough time. So take your own time. Don't run. If you run, you gotta go behind. Must be fair. Run so far.
Yeah.
Then.
Good.
Thank you.
排队。排进去。
Oh, okay. So when is now? It's salty. It's salty. Oh! Woohoo! The fall, it opened. The exhibition hall opened. Whoa, what is this? Aero technology. Okay, so we have the Haviland here. Wow, they're making good things. So standard aero, what is this? Oh, boom overture. Wow, boom overture. What? Okay, so look at this. So let me see what is this. So let me see what is here. Bombardier Defense. What is this? Look at it. Space AAM engine. Bro, what is the thing? What is the thing? What is the thing? What is the thing? Bro, so we're just going inside here. General Atomics Aeronatural. So here, drones and F-35. Okay, so where am I going? So wow. Oh, so where's the flight simulator? So where's the flight simulator? Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. So what is the thing? So what is this thing? Is this drone? Is this a drone? Furry, what is this? Okay. Okay, so I don't want to read anything. Okay. So is there a flight simulator inside here? Okay, bro, it's just a 737, an ordinary 737. Okay, so let me just enter here. Oh, what? We got turbofan inside here. Oh, why? We got 777 turbofan inside here. Wow, look at this. We even got, how do we got 777 turbofan inside here? Look at how, whoa. They've just decorated it up. Wow, but they haven't built the exhaust yet. Okay, so it's just a nice look, but it's a bad inside, for sure. This Rolls-Royce engine. Wow. So can I spin it? Can I even touch it? No, I can't. Okay, so wow. So we're going here. A United Airlines 737 and F-35. So what is this? Oh, what? PPG Aero brand. They got, what is this? Oh, what? They broke the whiteboard. Okay, so we've got you covered. What is this? Singapore airshow. So what? So wow, they just drew a plane out. So what are they doing? They're just tracing a few ordinary parts. It's 3D printed. It's just 3D printed. Okay, this is the 3D printer, which is just not. Okay, so what we got here? So a few 3D printed parts. So here we got a few 3D printed parts. Yeah, how do they 3D print metal?
什么？
3D 打印的
什么东西？
零件，
什么零件？
飞机零件。Look at this. So what we got here, bro? So we're just walking down this aisle. Okay. There's another software 737. Why is the 737 so popular in this exhibition? Look at this. That's easy. It's easy to do it. So yeah. Oh, okay. They got newspaper. Okay. Wait, how did they? What is this? Okay, so let me take this. So okay, what is this? Bro, they've extended this 7, bro. So let's go. Oh, what? What is this? This looks like Boom. What is this? RTX, not Boom. So here's this Chinese thing. RTX. Whoa, nice. AI generated image. Yeah, A380 with 1 deck. Nice AI generated image. A380 with 1 deck. So wow, we got a lot of more things inside here. Okay, they just built a hangar like this. Why is this Air China plane? So what is this? This is not an airplane one. Thing. Whoa. Bro, let me see what airport is this. Looks like well, so we got crossover. So wow, Messiah. So what we got here? Twister. What is that? I don't know. MBDA spear. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. How did I got? Okay. So here's even a crazier thing. They're just doing crazy things. Bro, what the hell was this? Air defense. Okay, so what the? So ST engineering is also here. What is this? The things are just getting crazier. Oh, look at this. Flight simulator. Here's flight simulator. Okay. There's model planes. Wow, model planes. Wow. They didn't build the propeller. And they didn't build the blazer. Why do they build this? Oh, nice seaplane. Unretractable gears. Oh wow, here we got drone. Yeah, but the drone is also so bad. Yeah, the model is so bad. Oh, here we got a drone, and this is also a drone. What do you mean a drone? Oh, here's more model planes. Wow. What is this? Oh my god, they even got this. Oh, what is this? Oh, what? Oh my god. They got so many things. They even got a J35A. They got Falcon. Oh, they got B2 Spirit. That's not a B2 Spirit. Okay. So, oh, what? Oh, wow. So they got C929. So they got C909, C909, C919, and C929. Wait, why there's no C939? Maybe it's just imagination. Well, we can just walk up. We can walk. Look at this. Why did this look so bad? Bro, that's bad. The thing is bad. Look at the cockpit. It looks Snoopy. So this is C919 using the LEAP engine. Not bad. Okay, they've just recreated the 787 sort of. They've called that C9. They've called it C929. It's just a 787. Actually. Okay, they've just made Singapore below there. They've just made Singapore below there. So let me touch this. Why is there shining things? A C929 is not shiny. And they've just recreated the... Wow, nice job. They recreated the 787. Okay, so unspinnable engines. Yeah. Oh yeah, they recreated the 787. Yeah. Wide body aircraft. Yeah. It's almost the 787. It just looks like a 787. This is just a 787. Bro, they've took the 787 here. Oh, that's really Singapore Changi. There's really Singapore Changi Airport down here. Constructing Terminal 5. Yeah, and Changi Exhibition Center is just here, bro. Okay, they don't know the map. So let me go to the... Oh, look at this Snoopy cockpit. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. They've also just recreated. Oh what? 3.9 million total passengers. How did this get so much capacity? Oh wow, they even got interior. What is it? They made it curly. Okay, so what is inside? It's just... Okay, so what? We only got two rows of luxury seats. Okay, so the C929 don't have the interior. You know what this is? Dude. Everything is not exactly what I wanted. Yeah, but so what am I doing? So, A321XLR. Oh, here's an Airbus. I've never seen this Airbus. Oh, let me go to the Airbus. Oh, what? They even got, what is that? So what is that? Aviation.
手干嘛一直放在这里的？
Wait. So yeah, looks like we've done looking at everything. What is this? What is this? They even got boat. They even got boat. Oh, look at this Snoopy little boat. Not like this. Lego. Oh, what is this? So what is this? Bro, why is this so bad? So what is this? What is this? It's just a space. Why is there balls not placed? Oh, what is this? What is even this? Oh, they don't have turbine. They don't have turbine. They don't have fans. Look at this Airbus fighter, A321P. Bro, what? So let me go inside. What is inside? Oh, this is cabin. Oh, they've shut off the things. Oh, why they got tank? So what is this? So what is this? What is this? So what is actually this? Is this a seaplane or what? Okay, they got pieces. But those pieces are not real right now. So what we have here? So we got tanks. We got why here? Why here it don't look like it's all planes? Here it don't look like it's all planes already. Okay guys, remember to subscribe and see you next time.